Hey my love, back with another video. And this time we got two sets of Beetle gel polish. We have the Moroccan in the spring and the summer. As you can see, this video is like almost a month old, maybe more, by my nails. So let's get into the Moroccan set first. So right here is just the instructions, and you got these cute little bottles, you guys. Each one is 5 milliliters, and you get 12 altogether. So let's get into these swatches. So we got the numbers 629 to I think 637. So a little tip, you guys, when you guys are doing swatches on the outside, make sure you apply the polish the opposite direction, counterclockwise or clockwise. Yeah, do it that way, please. Don't do it the way I'm doing it right now, because you might get the polish that's not cured on you messed it up. That's all I'm saying. So I really like these colors because they're really they're like super spring colors. I love them. So all these polishes, I love them because they're basically one coaters, as you can see right now. All you really need is one coat and you're good to go. So here are the pretty colors with the top coat. I love these colors, you guys. Let me know what you think. Which one's your favorite? I love them all. Alright, let's get into the second one. So this is spring and the summer. There is, don't quote me on that, 18 colors, I believe. I could be wrong. 20 colors, and you get a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. So they got you all set, you guys. So these are 5 milliliters as well, and the base, top, and matte top coat are 7.5 milliliters. So right here we're starting with number 603 all the way up. It is all the way up to 622. And as you can see, as I start swatching, if the colors really look like spring in the summer, you guys. Like they'll be like springy colors, and then bam, summer. And there's also glitters in here and neon colors. So it will all go in order, you guys. Most of them will. And at the end, I will show you what the glitters look like by themselves and with black underneath them. now I'm getting into the neon colors, I believe, and you'll be able to tell they're like more of a see-through. So if you want the full coverage, you're gonna need more than one coat, you guys. Just a FYI. And I'm sorry, this is just a swatch video. I'm not gonna actually do a design, you guys, not this time. But in the future, I will with these colors. Okay, so right here, I was watching Pumpkin's Nail Station when I did this. She did a half matte, half glossy top coat, so I decided to do that too. So I'm gonna give her credit for that. You can make designs with this too. It's like the possibilities are endless with matte and glossy top coat. I don't think people really realize that they could do a lot of designs with it. But hey, so yeah, right here is just half matte and half glossy. This is the spring and the summer collection with neons and glitters. And the next one, I decided to do that one as well, the Moroccan one, half glossy, half matte. I love it. So you guys, I'll check you in my next video. All right, talk to you later. Bye.